Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about ignoring retirement. You may be missing out. Let's get into the video. Are you ignoring retirement? Although the retirement phase of life may seem to be far in the future, if you want to retire comfortable, you should start planning early. Do not count on Social Security retirement to supply all of your retirement income. The Social Security Administration provides a tool at ssa.gov/retirement that provides an estimate of future benefits. Once you have checked that projection, consider what your retirement would be like with only Social Security income. If you are fortunate enough to have an employer union or government funded retirement plan, determine how much you can expect to receive when you retire. You will probably find that your retirement needs still require additional funding. The government wants you to save and prepare for your own retirement. To help you do that, there are a number of tax incentives that encourage saving for retirement. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.